So number 4 is open house signs and balloons. The funny thing is that I would always teach these classes and everyone's like, why does balloons matter, blah, blah, blah. Well, first off, it's multiple. I mean, I'm talking 20, 30 signs. I remember we did this open house and it was like an open house extravaganza. I think there's like 4 or 5 houses. So we had 300 signs out there. And obviously we didn't have 300 balloons. We had balloons closer to the house. Balloons represent party. They represent excitement. Why do you think balloons are at parties? I mean, obviously you have to use a psychological, attack to it as well. So we did this open house extravaganza. What happened? Well, we had a buyer was like, wow, man, you guys put signs everywhere. I'm so impressed. I saw the balloons. They came into the house. Well, they bought one of the houses. Months later, we're talking to them. And they even said when they were driving, they were leaving a new construction development. And they said, we might as well look at some of these houses. The signs are everywhere. So everything we're doing in these steps, there's no negative, right? By doing this. So you put 5 signs. What's the negative of putting 50? What, it's taking too much time out of your day? No, you want to market and advertise your house the best you can, the best of your abilities. The more signs, first of all, if people can follow it easier. And the balloons represent something that's going on now. And that's why I like balloons at my open house, because it's representing something's happening right now. So yes, a lot of signs and balloons. Next step.